Today we are going into the porcupine den, only with a camera. It's a small hole, and I'm holding the camera down into the hole and trying to shine it as far into this tunnel of sorts to see. I knew that the animal wasn't quite close by. I wouldn't disturb it. So it goes much further back, this tunnel. It's an old structure, man-made structure that's somewhat collapsing. The animal is a smart porcupine. She kept her baby safe in there and dry and warm. Predators are rarely coming in. We've seen only one raccoon one time, and it came back out with quills stuck to it. However, now, what we're noticing, this baby is not happy with mom. This particular video I've shown before, baby hisses at mom. And so possibly a teenager? Not sure what's going on. Now we have the same situation. Mom is the eye on the right, baby is on the left. The geese are making noise in the background. Wait for it now. There she is, or he, barking at mom again. Baby is now coming in from the distance. Mom is coming close by to the camera. Their den is on the left, that dark hole. They're both approaching to go into the den, and baby once again turns off to the side like, do I want to go in there with you? This here now is baby, and there had been all kinds of raccoons coming by, so it smells something that smells like danger. And this is the first time we are seeing the baby doing what I call the danger dance. It is twisting around and twisting around to ward off real or imagined danger. Yes, there is still so much to learn about these animals.